Okay. Now let us continue with problem set 1, question 4. Now let us draw a number line with arrowhead, and there is a point P on the number line whose coordinate is -7. Now what they are saying, find the coordinates of point on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from P. Children, 8 units on P means it can be to the right, correct? It can also be to the left. And this distance they have taken as 8 units on either sides. This distance is taken as 8 units on either sides. Okay, is this much clear to you? There is a point P on the number line, and they are saying find the coordinates of points on number line which are at a distance of 8 units. So between -7 and x, there is a distance of 8 units. Between -7 and y, there is a distance of 8 units, and they want us to know the value of x and they want us to know the value of y. So I think we can name the points also. So let us take this as Q and let us take this as R. Okay. Now carefully look in the picture, children. Let us start with since. Let us start the solution from since. Look carefully, children. Let us take -7 and y. Let us take -7 and y. Of -7 and y, which is on the right hand side? y is on the right hand side. So y is greater than -7. Y is greater than -7. Correct, children? Now let us see distance PQ. What is going to be our distance PQ? The greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. The greater coordinate is y minus of -7. That is the smaller coordinate. Now how much is distance PQ? It is given to us as 8. So this is equal to y plus 7. Minus becomes plus. So I'll shift 7. So it becomes -7. So y is equal to 1. This we have done for the right hand side. Now let us work out for the left hand side. Now how are we going to do for the left hand side? Same way, children. Since we are having two coordinates here. Now of x and -7, which is on the right hand side? -7 is on the right hand side. So -7 is greater than x. Okay. Now along the left side, so distance PR is equal to greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. Distance PR is how much? Distance PR is 8. And -7 minus x. Change the place of x. Bring x here. So negative x will become positive x. And if I change the place of 8, it will become -8. -7 minus 8, it is -15. So x is equal to -15. So 1 is the coordinate to the right of -7, which is at a distance of 8 units. And -15 is the coordinate which is on the left of -7 at a distance of 8 units. So how do we write the answer? The coordinates of a point, the coordinates of the points at a distance of 8 units, from PR -15 and 1. Clear, children? Now in the similar way, we have one more sum. Let us work out even that. Okay. Same way, children. Number line. Correct? We have here A, let us take point B and also let us take point C. This time the coordinate of point A is 1. Okay. The distance between A and B, we have to take A up, not down children, up. This time the distance is 7 units to the right and 7 units to the left. 7 units to the left. Similar way, let us continue. Since, let us do the right hand side first. Let us do the right hand side first. Same way, since, let us take y and let us take 1. Y is on the right hand side of 1, so y is greater. So distance AB, greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate, y minus 1. This time distance AB is how much? 7. That is equal to y minus 1. Take minus 1 on this side. So you get y is equal to 8. So you get y is equal to 8. Okay. Proceed in the similar way. Since this time x is on the left and 1 is on the right. So we have x and 1. Out of x and 1, which is greater? 1 is greater, as 1 is on the right. So distance along the left side, distance AC, the greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate, correct? This time distance AC is 7. 1 minus x. Bring x on this side. So I am changing the place of x. So minus x will become plus x. And I am changing the place of 7. So plus 7 will become minus 7. And you know the answer is minus 6. So x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. So the coordinate to the left of 1 is minus 6, which is at a distance of 7 units. The coordinate on the right side of A is 8, which is at a distance of 7 units from A. So let us write the final answer. The coordinates of the points at a distance of 7 units from A are minus 6 and 8. Are minus 6 and 8. Now children, problem set 1. Question 1. Choose the correct alternative. This question I will be sending to you and you have to select the correct option and write in your notebook. Okay. Now whatever option you choose as the answer, that for this children I will also send you the answer key. I will also send you the answer key with proper explanation. I will also send the answer key with proper explanation. So just see to it children that you solve problem set 1, question 1 and please write it in your notebook. Okay. No need to write the explanation. Only the check that why your answer is the why, what is, like for example, if the first question is given and if you are selecting the option as A, for example, then why that answer is A, that explanation I will be sending to you. But in the notebook you have to just write the blank along with 4 options and the correct option you write in the blank which is provided to you. So no need to write all the explanation. Explanation is only for you to read and understand. Okay.